Nasisit ako. Nakabili ba siya?
Yes, yes, okay na.
Ayun lang ba?
Ayun lang.
May mga bata rin.
Ay, sa likod. Ha?
Bye!
Ay, sus.
Pating na si Princess.
Ay, hindi.
May tao pala din.
May sariling lakad yun.
Kanina pa.
Yan mo na.
Sinabi mo ka sis. Kinilabanas niya.
Ano yung kaya mo?
Hindi mo alam kung nasaan. Hindi mo alam? Hindi niya sinabi.
Baka wala.
Ha? Wala. Dadala mo.
Hindi.
Yan.
Ano message?
Bakit ba?
Ganda lang ano. Ganun mo lang lips na. Yan. Okay.
Na tayo ko. Oh, dito na. Ano ba lang parata? Dito na tayo. Dito na tayo.
Sumahawakan mo sa sasya. Kaya ako na nahawakan.
Dadating pa.
pa talagang ma-accomplish yung ganong edad. Sa ngayon itong postura na parang ang lakas-lakas pa ni Mami. Mami, do you take a lot of medicines? Yes naman.
Meron akong tinitake na medicine.
Okay. Now, it's your birthday. Ano ba yung gusto mong ma-fulfill o wish mo aside from that, how do you call this, sa gift of life na binibigay sa'yo ni Lord? Anong gusto mo pang ma-achieve? O yung wishes mo today on your birthday?
Ang wishes ko, una sa lahat, thanks to God, at binigyan pa ako ng ganitong katagal na buhay. Kaya pasasalamat ako. Sana lahat ng bisita ko, maging katulad ko, na talagang ganito rin umabot. At na maligaya ako dahil na-meet ko lahat ang mga friends ko at mga kamag-anak ko. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Yun lang.
Palakpakan natin si Mami Elvie. Okay? I can't imagine my life. Nakakabot ako ng ganitong edad, 83. It's almost 80. Ang dami ng pinagdaanan ni Mami. But by the way, anyways, everyone, good afternoon. Welcome to McDonald's Square and also welcome to Elvie's 83rd birthday. I am your host. My name is Elvie. I am the guest experience leader together with Kuya Carlo. Hello. Say hi to them. Today, we will give an extra fun saya and also good memories on Mami's 83rd birthday. Mami, ready ka na ba on your birthday party? Ito una-unahan or how to call it, experience mo to celebrate in any fast food chain or restaurant on your birthday.
My first time here in McDonald's.
A kiddie party.
Pero nung ako ay nag-80 birthday, nag-celebrate din kami. Yung mga friends ko mga anak ko, yung dalawang anak ko hindi naka-attend, nasa malayo. Pero how I wish na nandito sila.
Even if how far is that, especially now that the social media, actually, kaya ka nilang abutin, Mami. Pwede ko kung malaman kung nasa yung dalawang anak po ninyo?
Ay, yung eldest daughter ko, na si Leia, nasa Canada. Yung susunod ko naman, na si Ruth, ay nasa Italy. At ito naman, kung pangatlo, si Sherwin, paalis naman bukas, pabalik na ng Italy. Ang naiiwan sa akin, ito isa kong bunsong anak, na si William.
Okay, palakpakan naman natin. But before that, before we have to start, pwede ko bang tawagin yung dalawang anak ni Ma'am, si Sir William at yung paalis na bukas? Si Sir. So syempre before we have to get over si Sir. Hi Sir! isa pang Italiano. Okay, hi sir. Okay, sir. Ikaw that your mom is celebrating her birthday today at paalis ka na bukas, ano yung gusto mong sabihin sa kanya on your special day today aside from a long life?
Ay, happy birthday. Sana masiyang ka na, masiyang ka sa celebration natin ngayon. Alam ko na surprise ka dahil kanina ka pa namin pinagbibihis, ayaw mo kang magbihis dahil sa sagot tayo.
Okay, aside from that, si Sir naman, yung bunso naman si Sir William. Ikaw, Sir, ano yung gusto mong sabihin kay Mami Elby on her birthday today? So, okay, si Sir William, buwang po ng abala to make this actually really happen today. To all of you together on Mami's Elby's birthday. Ikaw, Sir, ano gusto mong sabihin kay Ma'am?
May, happy birthday. Sana naging masaya ka ngayong araw na to, na-surprise ka namin. Sana makasama ka pa namin ng mahaba pang panahon. Mahal na mahal kita.
Okay, and that's real. And then as long as the family will actually back together, they'll always stay longer. Sir, upo ka muna. So okay that we can also start now. Hello! Hi! Okay, before that, Mami, bago ka namin kantahan, ito yung mga amiga mo, yung mga karayuman natin. Sila, Mami. Hi, Mami! Are you one of the great friends of our birthday girl na si Mami Elby? What's your name po? Okay, si Ma'am, sa ilang taon ka na, Ma'am? 67. Okay, stay healthy on your age. Okay, ikaw, Mami, ano gusto mong sabihin kay Mami Elby on her birthday?
Okay, sana nandun parati ang mga anak niya na ma-feel na mag-aalaga. Although malayo, pero nandun ang presensya ng bawat isa sa panalangin niya.
Thank you, Ma'am Sets. Now, ito naman, hi, Ma'am. Good afternoon. Ito mukhang bata pa to. Kaya pa itong Ma'am Jackie magsuba to ng linggo sa Barcelona Bosco. Ano pangalan mo?
Selly,
Ma'am Selly. Ilang taon ka na, Ma'am Selly?
81.
Wow, 81! Parang nakakapun yung ganong edad. Ako nga at my age of 32, masakit na yung tuhod ko. Totoo yun. Okay, yun na nagka-ACL po nga siya akong injury. Parang hindi na siya nakabalik sa dati. Ikaw, Mami, at your age of 81, are you happy?
Yes.
Yes. Why is it you're also happy? Because of the life that God also give you? Or sa maintenance na iniinom mo?
You know what? I just had this age last March 24.
Wow, belated happy birthday! Okay, can you please stand up, Mami? Now, your friend Mami Elby is celebrating her birthday. She's also at 2 years ahead of you. Ah, magkapatid! Okay, magkapatid pala kayo, siya ang ate mo. Yes, ilan na lang po kayo natitira, Ma'am? 5. Pero sa limang yun, kompleto ba kayo?
Youngest na sister namin. Lima kaming babae. Si ate bang panganay. Susunod ako. Ngayon, susunod din yung nagalawan na si Stace. The youngest, namatay siya. 5 years ago. Yan ang youngest namin. Silita. Ano ang youngest ako?
It's okay. That's life, Mami. Alam mo, it's really important nowadays that family bonding is actually, we have to be bond more together. Hindi na uso ang paramihan ng pera ngayon. Alam mo, ang uso ngayon, paramihan ng picture and great memories. Because money, it's just actually, how do you call this, the material things that you need. But a bond and also the special relationship with your family is one of the greatest gifts that you can also cherish and feel the last breath of your life. Now, that your ate is celebrating her birthday, anong gusto mong sabihin sa ate mo, kay Mami Elby, that she's also celebrating her 83rd birthday? What is your wish for her po?
Tama yan. Tingin, may picture ka ng sister. Ay, wala. Hindi ka picture pa na.
Okay, palakpakan natin ang ating Mami Elby. before we have to start, I'm also going to play music. Now, once you hear this, all you have to do is to sing to our 18 years old birthday today, Mami Elvie. Naniwala ka bang 18 years old ka pa? 83. Okay, pag-birthday lang yun, Mami. Okay, now that once you hear this, all you have, go! I'll give one more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Okay, once again, happy 83rd, Mommy Elvie. Now, the magic word. Gusto ko sabay-sabay tayo kasi a magic word. And happy birthday, Elvie, in 3, 2, 1. What is the magic word? It's happy birthday! One more. Gusto ko yung mas malakas pa tumagal ang buhay ni Mami. Happy birthday! Okay, palakpakan naman natin si Mommy Elvie on her birthday. Okay, Mami, upo ka lang muna dyan. Okay? Mag-enjoy ka? Okay? Gusto mo maging bata ulit? Siyempre naman. Gusto mo maglaro? Kaya mo tumalon? Hindi na? Okay. Now, I think we should also start with the first part of our program. May mga kids ba tayo dito? Yung mga kids, ito yung mga apo ni Mami, yung maliliit po. Okay, yung mga kids, ayan, ito yung mga nandito muna. Hi, come here. Everyone, so that you can also get a surprise courtesy from Lola Elvie. Come here. Okay, lahat ng kids natin. Okay, please stand up. Can everyone, Elvie, that you want to volunteer to get a surprise? Come here. Parang nagugutom na to. Ayaw tumayo. Okay. Okay, it's time for you to taste Lola Elvie because she is also celebrating her birthday today. Hi, come here. Just form one line. Come here, everyone. Okay, come here. Okay, harap kayo kay Lola Elvie. Okay, mabilis lang yung clip natin. Alan? Okay, what's your name again? Okay, how old are you? 4. And how about you, sir? What's your name? Oh, you're 4 years old now. Okay, ang liit pa sa 4 years old. Who's your mama and papa? So where's mommy? Asan si mommy? Ito, si Lola. One more. Okay, one more. I'll give you more time. Okay, one more. Happy birthday! Yay! Okay, come here. You have your prize. Okay, get your prize. Anything that choose. You have to choose one. You want the tumbler or the cups or the stickers or the sticky notes. What the, okay, get anything there. Just one. Okay, congratulations. Now next, Kirby. Okay, Kirby, are you ready? No? Sure, you're not hungry? You don't like to eat chicken? Later daw. Okay. Hi, time for you to hold the microphone in case Lola Elvie. Go there. Come here. You say happy birthday, Lola Elvie, in 3, 2, 1, go.
Happy birthday, Lola Elvie!
One more.
Happy birthday, Lola Elvie!
Okay, thank you. Okay, now, it's time for you. Okay, the floor is yours. Time for you to sing Lola Elvie. 1, 2, 3, go. Alam mo talaga ito. Nagugutom na ito eh. Okay. Now, here's your prize. Congratulations. Nasaan po yung pinakakaliit kanina? Sino po yung guardian nun? Sino po sa tuhod? Tsaka yung paa. Okay? When I say happy, shoulder, knees, happy, head, knees and toes, shoulder, sayang, nakasya short, flexible yan. Okay? Okay. Yeah, pwede naman igahin mo yung paghirap na. Kahit ako din, iaangat ko lang, ba't pa ako bababa? Okay, di ba? Kung masakit din naman sa likod pag-akyat. Okay, now, shoulder, head, happy, knees and toes, shoulder, head, knees and toes, shoulder, head, knees and toes, shoulder, happy, knees and toes. Toes. Taray na sir, palakpakan naman natin to. Okay, one more. Okay, when I say shoulder, head, happy, knees, shoulder, head, knees and toes, knees. Ang lakas yung mga no? Knees, toes, shoulder, head, happy, knees, and toes. Okay, ganoon lang siya ha. Ito na yung game, mas mabilis na to. Kung sino yung unang makakuha ng bata na to, sa kanya na. Okay, bubuhatin nyo na siya na yung mauuna dyan. Okay? Lahat nasa kanya na, okay? Now, sige, ito. Ano pong gusto nyo? Yung rigat ito, ayun yung medyo malaki. Kung kaya yung buhatin. Okay, ito na. Mabilis lang to. Tatlong volleyball lang yan. Kapag setter ka, kapag nakakita ka ng ball hole, hulog mo yung bola. Okay, ayun na kinuha talaga niya. Okay, now, the game will start now. Shoulder, head, happy, knees and toes. Knees and toes, shoulder, head, happy, knees and toes. Shoulder, head, happy, knees and toes. Shoulder, head, sir. Isa pa, okay? Happy. Meron po ko na lang lusapan, sir. Okay. Ano gusto niyo? Ang bloody. Pili lusapan. Okay. Shoulder. Happy. Knees and toes. Happy. Shoulder. Happy. Happy. Taas. Happy. 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 Knees and toes. Shoulder. Happy. Knees. Go! Sino nakakuha? Yung dalawang girl natin. Okay, yung sabi ni Mami LB, bring me ID card. Okay, senior ID card. 1, 2, 3. Bigyan mo na sa kanya, Mami. Ayan, congratulations. Next. Okay, sige po. Bigyan mo pa. 1, 2, 3. Mami, bigyan mo na sa kanya. Okay, thank you. O, sino pa po? Ayan, say thank you. Hi, sir. Okay. Ayan. O, meron pa, wala na? Okay, meron pa po. Okay, kami ma'am. Okay, thank you. Congratulations. Now, on our second McDonald's Spring Me Game. Okay, Mami, ready ka na? Anong naiisip na gusto mong padala sa mga bisita mo? Next time na lang daw. Okay, now on our second McDonald's Bring Me Game, ang sabi ni Mami LB, bring me! Alam ko hindi ko ito dinadala. Okay, this was 5 years ago na I think this year. It's really important before you have to enter to any establishments, you have to show it. Okay? If you have the screenshots on your phone or you have that, kung naka-xerox pa siya or naka-laminate, this is a COVID vaccination ID card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, yung mga bata. Wow, ang bright. Okay, one more here. Sino pa po? Yung may mga screenshots sa inyo. Sino pa? Okay, you have to show the screenshots on your phone. Importante ito, every time you travel. Okay, there you go, the vaccination. One more. Meron pang habol. Okay, wow. Come here. Hello. Ayan, ang dami. Parang Gcash screenshot yung nakita ko yung pagpasa ng pera. Okay, nawala. Okay yan. And then si sir. Okay, ganun lang yan. Now, on our next Bring Me Game, hanggang may premyo, may papagalis, bring me! Because it's my birthday today, you have to bring me in a 1,000 peso bill. Oh, syempre, hawakan natin yan. Hawakan nyo lang, sir. Hawakan nyo po. Sino pa magdadala ng 1,000? What is money in paper only? Ako naniniwala ko sa kasabihan na yon. Sige, hawakan niyo po. Hawakan niyo yan, ha? Okay, hawakan niyo. Sino pa? The more, the merrier. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, mami, 9,000 ka na. Hindi ka na maghihintay ng senior na, how do you call this? Yung binibigay sa munisipyo? Nakakatanggap po ba kayo nun? Ah, wala. Okay. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We say thank you. And then say happy birthday to Lola LB. Pabili ng ano yan, ng medication niya. Okay? Okay. Kami po, yung lahat na nagbigay ng 1,000, hawakan niyo lang po yan, ha? Okay? Okay, one more. Happy birthday to you. Okay, once again, can you all Criado plus our birthday? Celebrate our birthday girl today. It's Mommy LB. Now, Mommy, it's time for you to close your eyes and make a wish for yourself today. Because it's your birthday, it's your special day. Now, you have to leave everything up to God your wishes. I know you're happy to your heart today because most of your family are actually here witnessing and also celebrating your special day together with McDonald's. Now, Mommy, time for you to close your eyes. If you are ready, time for us guys to count in 3, 2, 1. Yay! Palakpakan natin si Mommy LB. But before that, may I also call all the kids to go here, take a picture together with Lola LB, together with the cake. Come here, yung mga kids natin. And then so on, it's a group.
Okay pa. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. And then together with her sister as well.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Thank you. Now, si Okay. 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay po. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Okay na po. Pa, ano yan? 1, 2, 3. Okay po. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Okay na po.
Sabihin mo mag-picture tayo. Kasi pangalan eh. Ang kaglaki ng pagmamahal. Di ba? Kasal ka mukha ko.
Yung mga kids natin, you can also gather here so that you can also take a photo of our character. Okay, now time. Okay, now look at the camera, Hamburglar. Give your impressions and smile. Okay, one more. Okay. Now yung mga kids naman natin, time for you to join us here. Okay, for those who want to take the balloons, yung mga kids natin, you can also go today for coming and celebrating your 85th birthday at McDonald's.
Sa lahat na nagpunta, nakipag-celebrate sa akin, maraming salamat sa inyo, sa inyong pagdalo. Sa totoo talagang gulat na gulat ako sa party na to. Talagang mental block, wala akong maisip kanina. Talagang gulat na gulat, ganun pala yung nagugulat. Talagang wala akong maano kanina. Kaya wala akong sinasabi kundi puro po sa salamat sa inyo lahat.
Okay, at dahil dyan palakpakan natin si Mommy LB on her birthday. Now once again, I am going to play your music before we have to end this program, okay? Kapag narinig niyo yung kanta to, kailangan kantahan natin si Mommy LB ulit ng happy birthday song.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, one more to the longest and loudest noise. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Okay, once again, can we all give a round of applause to Mami LB on her birthday? Okay, sa inyong lahat, maraming salamat sa pagpunta and happy weekend to everyone. Also, God always bless you. And I hope that Mami LB can also stay along together with us so that you'll be able to see the true joy and happiness of your life, Mami. I know that you're happy because it's your birthday. Actually, it's your advanced birthday celebration. Now, Mami, can you say I love you to them?
To all my guests, pagdating ko ninyo dito, talagang dito pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. Talagang na-surprise. Salamat sa lahat.
Okay, that is also a pure, genuine part of her happiness today because she's also celebrating her birthday and also na-surprise po siya. Alam kong no words can express for you to show your love to them on your special day. And Mami, happy birthday! I am wishing you all the best in life. And also, I am happy that I am also being part of your birthday here at McDonald's. I love seniors because my parents are actually seniors too. My dad is an 85 years old. My mom is also a 73 years old. And I'm happy that still now, buhay pa din sila at nakakasama ko sila. Because the true meaning of life is the happiness. Right, Mommy? God bless you always. Happy birthday again. And then maraming salamat. I love you, Mommy. Thank you. Once again, what is the magic word? It's happy birthday! Ano pa pangalan ng birthday? It's happy birthday, LB! And 1, 2, 3, happy birthday, LB!
Happy birthday, LB!
Okay, maraming salamat po. And that's it for our birthday celebration today. I am your host. My name is Salty, together with our team here at McDonald's. Mommy, thank you. God bless you always.
Kanina, grabe yung gulat niya. Natawa ka sa ito. Gusto to. Mami, gusto to. Jessica Fury, Candy.